Thanks for watching today's video. Today we are making loaded nacho fries. I am using an air fryer in today's video, and these are the fries that I will be using. I already placed my fries into the air fryer, and then I'm just going to be showing you what air fryer I'm using and the temperature that I placed it on. So we will be back when they are done. So this is everything that I'll be using to build my loaded fries. And I also will be using leftover taco meat from the night before. If you would like to see me make that, leave a comment below. And our fries are done. So now it's the fun part. We are about to build our nacho fries. I'm just pouring the taco meat onto the fries. I'm going to use all of it just because I just want to get rid of it. And honestly, it's starting to look really good. It looked good just like that. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just got to taste good. So now I am just getting my shredded cheese together. I was struggling a little bit because I'm recording with one hand. And I am trying to open the cheese with the other hand, but I finally got it. So now we're about to sprinkle. Sorry that the cameras move all around like this, y'all. I got to get it together, but I'm working on that. Now we are about to add our nacho cheese or queso, whichever one you want to call it. And I'm just trying to tap. And I was struggling a little bit. How do you struggle putting cheese on, on your plate? I don't know, but I managed to do it. So I'm just adding my cheese. Now we are finally about to add some sour cream. Right now I'm just trying to get the sour cream, but I'm gonna do 2 scoops on the top, and then that's it. We ain't gotta go overboard. We just want it to be just right, not too much, not too little. So now that I heated up everything and everything is melted, we are going to add some jalapeños just to add a little bit of flavor to it, a little bit of spice and a little bit of heat. I am not using raw jalapeños because those are just way too hot, but I think that the jalapeños brought everything together and gave us that authentic nacho feel. Alright, now that everything is out the microwave, this is what it looks like. I really enjoyed making this video, and everything turned out to taste really well. Remember that cooking doesn't have to be hard as long as you're having fun while you're doing it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.